Hi, crafty friends, Alicia Cheeky Bum, and I have some happy mail that I've obviously somewhat opened and realized after I went to go stop it because I was done with the video that I did not hit record. So I am so sorry. I have some happy mail from a good friend named Susan, and we're gonna go through everything again because why not? We're gonna, because it should be shared and I am eternally grateful. So she's got this little note here. It says, "Hi Lacey. I hope you enjoy the goodies. Thanks for posting so much interesting content. I really enjoy it, Susan." And Susan, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber, and I'm glad that you enjoy my content. I do a lot of different things, mainly enable other people because I'm easily enabled, and I love shopping. I do. Um, and looking for other, crafty things. I love watching people's, tutorials. I love tutorials. I can sit there and watch some tutorials all day long. So we are gonna go back through what she sent me, because she sent me lots of goodies. She sent me these hand sanitizers that I've been on the hunt for. I have found them, but I will have stockpile, and I am eternally grateful for it. She also had these pencil cases, and they were stuffed full of goodies, but I'm going to show you the goodies because I have, of course, already taken them out. But I love these pencil cases if you can find them. What I like about them is that they're kind of sleek and they don't take up a lot of space, and they actually hold quite a bit. And what I like to do is say I have different pen sets, highlighter sets, marker sets, but I like to keep them all within their set. But I don't keep them in the original marker boxes because they don't fit on my cart nicely or in my drawers nicely. So I like to put them in here, and I usually can only find these with back to school. So I love getting these. So yeah, I have one that will have like, colored gel pens. I have one that has like all my jelly roll pens. I have one that has highlighters, stuff like that. So I really love those. She also had sent me one of these little notebooks. They have the little gibbets. I think these are wonderful. I love getting these, mainly because I think it's cool to be able to like redesign something. Like you can pop things out and be like, oh, I don't want a summer right now. I want to make this a little Halloween one or a Christmas one or, whatever. I think that these are really cool, and I'm so glad that these shoe charms are being used other ways because these are really cute, but I am not a crock wearer, and I know a lot of people are not, so to be able to use them in other crafty ways is really cool. I really like that. She had also put in here these are like little lip balm or like salad perfume cologne type of containers, but I'm going to keep them on my desk because they are black, and I think that I'm going to use these somehow, some way in my Halloween crafting. I could put like little die cuts in here or like a little trinket tray full of like nail charms. Like there's a good size for that. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'm going to keep them out because I think that those could be used. She also sent me some Halloween ribbon. This is, hard to find. Pink ribbon, one per box is ridiculous. And I have not picked up this green and black stripe, so I'm super excited for this. I already have a couple things in mind, so those are gonna stay out as well. She has also gifted me some playing cards. I love collecting these, and I don't have the Corpse Bride ones. I do have Harry Potter, but I love Harry Potter, so that is okay. I need to do another Harry Potter swap because everybody really enjoys them. I just have not had time. I haven't had time to think, I feel like. In the days I do have time to think, I'm usually down with a headache, which prevents me from thinking. So anyway, these corpse brides are really cute, and I say anything Tim Burton is Halloween, even if it's not Halloween related, Um, Batman, Halloween. Edward Scissorhands, Halloween. Frankenweenie, Halloween. Everything, anything Tim Burton is considered Halloween. Sweeney Todd, Halloween. Um, she also had these nail files, cherry, anything cherry and strawberry go in a bin. I have them both together because they're the same kind of color palette. Next spring and summer I need to thin out that tote and do some cherry and strawberry Happy Meal for sure. She also had, I'll get to those in a minute. She had these stickers in here that are post-ap shape, my favorite shape. And they also have lips and eyes on them, which I find really cool. So I love seeing those. I've never seen those before. And then she's got these little fairy doors. And you know, when I recorded before, I told this little story. My boys, when they were little, their grandma had like a little fairy garden before, you know, the boys got older and thought, you know, fairies are for girls. Back when they used to be unisex, we would make things and jars and little trinkets for her fairy garden, and they thought that was so fun. And I haven't done anything like that in a while, so I'm definitely gonna have to ponder with these and think about what I can do. And then she's got like some stuff, and I was like, I absolutely like, it's like Susan read my mind because I can use this stuff right now. I already have ideas, but look how like vibrant and lime green these little doilies are. And she's got some of these like postcard, like wall art, whatever you like, collage wall stuff, postcard stuff, whatever you want to call them, but I just like to use them in crafting. But I'm making some mini albums and stuff, and these are giving me Wicked vibes, but also Beetlejuice vibes, you know, the purple and green. So I was like, these will absolutely be used. I'll utilize those because I definitely want to do some Beetlejuice stuff. And I am currently working on, I need to get this done, a horror swap, and I am doing Killer Clowns from Outer Space. So I can definitely alter these, and I think they would be fun. I'm making a mini album, so I'm definitely gonna try to incorporate this stuff somehow, some way. And she's got some of these as well. So like I said, it's like she read my mind and knew what I was working on right now. So I'm definitely gonna try to utilize those as well. So a lot of this stuff is gonna stay right on my desk. She's also gifted this little notebook. I love a notebook. If it's Cowgirl, it's even better. I have notebooks for everything. Like, this is how I organize my life. Like, every swap has its own notebook so I can keep track. I also keep track on my computer on spreadsheets, but I like, you know, backup because I have had one time lost a whole spreadsheet and didn't know whose partners were what, and it was a complete mess. So I always have backup. So I have, yeah, notebooks for those. I have notebooks for journal ideas. I have notebooks for just thoughts and you know, general ideas. Like, I have notebooks everywhere, and they are all utilized. And that's how I store my life, in a notebook. More little charms for the hand sanitizer cases, but you can use these for everything. So love those. And then I had found these two face masks, but I have not found the zero one, and it's maple brown sugar. And that is so exciting. I think I think I might have to use this one tonight. We have had like storm after storm after storm, it feels like, and although it's raining a lot, I still feel super dry, and I don't know why. Not 100% sure why. So I'm definitely gonna be playing with some of these goodies right away. So thank you, Susan, so much. I truly appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that loves my channel. I love everybody that watches. I just try to share love and positivity and crafty ideas and advice and anything I can possibly do for this crafty community. I think it's important. It's important to share the love. So I really appreciate you, Susan. If she has any social media, I will link it down below. But if not, we can give her some crafty love in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.